Cataract Surgery. Please put on the full-bodied operation gown that has been provided for you. Please put on the operation hat. Please make sure it covers your ears properly. We will now apply anesthetic eye drops are designed to decrease feeling in your eyes. Lie down on the surgical bed. The nurses will lead you to the surgical bed. Lie down on the bed. Place your hands on your stomach. Do not move your hands, as surgical equipment used during the operation will be placed on your hands. We will now apply sterilizing eye drops and sterilize the area around your eyes. We will then place an up drape over your eyes. Open both your eyes at the same time, even if only one of your eyes is covered. Take a deep breath, relax, and continue to breathe. We will then insert surgical instruments designed to hold your eyelids open. Take a deep breath and stare forward. Do not hold your breath during the operation. When the surgical equipment is inserted, look straight forward and try not to follow the equipment. Finish the operation. After the artificial lenses are inserted, the operation will be finished. The nurses will take the cover off of your face. Throughout the operation, you will be coherent and in constant contact with one of our doctors at EYEREUM. This operation is less painful than you think. We wish you well and would like to thank you for choosing EYEREUM.